Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So today in this video you will learn présent continu en français. Okay, that means present continuous in French. So in English we use present continuous tense to describe the actions that we are currently doing, okay, or that is happening now. Alright, such as we are walking, you are playing, I am going, okay, and they are eating. So these are the actions that is showing that the actions is currently doing. Alright, so that actions are those we are currently doing right now. Alright, so we use verb plus ing to make the sentences in English. Alright, so today we will learn this present continuous tense in French. Okay, so the construction to make the present continuous in French is être plus en train de plus infinitive. Okay, être, which is verb, okay, être plus en train de plus infinitive. So this is the construction that how we use to make the sentences of present continuous. Okay, so when we use en train de, okay, when we use en train de, that means the action is going on right now. Okay, the action is in the process of happening. All right, the action is in the process of happening. So we use être plus en train de plus infinitive. Okay, now look at the example. So example number 1, je suis en train de parler. Okay, je suis en train de parler, which means I am speaking. Je means I, so I am speaking. So here we use subject pronoun, okay, subject je. After that we use être verb, okay. So with je we use suis, okay, with je we use suis and plus en train de and plus infinitive of the verb, okay. So parler is a verb which means to speak. So we use parler as an infinitive form, okay. So je suis en train de parler, which means I am speaking. So that means I am in the process of speaking, okay. I am speaking right now. All right. So I can say here that I am speaking. For that, je suis en train de parler. Okay, that means I am speaking right now. Okay, in the process of speaking. So so that is present continuous tense in French. Now second is nous sommes en train de jouer. Okay, nous sommes en train de jouer, which means we are playing. Okay, jouer means playing. So here as you can see we use the same formula, nous, which is subject, and then we use sommes. Okay, sommes is used with nous. Okay, sommes is the formation conjugation of être verb. Okay, so nous sommes plus en train de and then jouer, which is infinitive form of the verb. Okay, which means to play. So nous sommes en train de jouer. We are playing. Okay, nous means we. So we are playing. Okay, like we are in the process of playing. We are playing right now. Okay, at this time, at this moment. So nous sommes en train de jouer. Okay, now we do have an exercise. Okay, here the sentences is in English and we have to translate these sentences into French présent continu. Okay, so she is writing a letter. Okay, she is writing a letter. So this is present continuous tense in English and now we have to translate it into French. So elle, okay, that means she, elle. Now we use être verb. Okay, être verb with elle, so it becomes a, la. Now en train de, okay, être plus en train de, so en train de. Now next plus infinitive verb, okay, infinitive form of the verb. So elle est en train de. Now what she is doing? She is doing writing a letter. Okay, she is writing a letter. So So writing means écrit, ECRIRE, okay. Écrit in lettre, okay, in lettre, which means a letter. We use in because letter matlab lettre is feminine, so we use in lettre. So here we use on tran da, okay, as per the construction, as per the formula. But écrire, okay, which is verb, so verb is used with vowel, okay, which is e. So we drop this e and use apostrophe, okay. So elle est en train d'écrire une lettre, okay, which means she is writing a letter, okay. Now second, we are leaving for France, okay, we are leaving for France. So we के लिए हम use करते हैं nous, okay, we use nous sommes. This is the conjugation of être with nous sommes en train de, nous sommes en train de. For leaving, what we use? Partir, okay, partir. Partir as in infinitive form, and then pour la France. So nous sommes en train de partir pour la France, alright, which means we are leaving for France. Now third is they are listening music, okay, they are listening music. So here we use ils sont, okay, which is être verb with ils sont en train de, ils sont en train de. Now what we use for listening? Écouter, okay, écouter is an infinitive form, but we use, because écouter is starting with vowel, that's why we use d apostrophe, okay. D'écouter de la musique, de la musique, alright. So ils sont en train d'écouter de la musique, okay, which means they are listening music. Now fourth is you are waiting for the bus, okay, you are waiting for the bus. So here tu, okay, tu es. So a is used for a is used with tu, okay. Tu es en train de, tu es en train de. Now for waiting we use attendre, okay, the verb attendre, which means to wait. Attendre, okay, so we use as an infinitive form, but attendre is starting with vowels, so that's why here we also do the same thing as above, that drop e and put the apostrophe, okay. So tu es en train d'attendre pour le bus, okay, for the bus, which means pour le bus, pour le bus, okay. So you are waiting for the bus, tu es en train d'attendre pour le bus, that means you are waiting for the bus, okay. So this is very simple. Here we just use subject, then conjugation of être verb according to the subject pronoun, after that en train de, okay, and then finally object like verb is an infinitive form, okay. So this is the present continuous tense in French. So this tense is not very useful in French while speaking, but yes, you should know about all the tenses which are related in French, which are related to French when you speaking a new language or when you learning a new language, okay. So it is must to know about this tense also. Alright, so I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.